Hello, this is a tutorial on how to install Reach Metaverse Cloud Engine SDK into Unity 2022. First, launch Unity Hub and start a new project. Make sure that the Unity version is 2022.1 and above. We recommend use the 3D Core template and go ahead and name your project. Hit create. Unity will load, and after that we would install Unity package. This process usually takes about a minute or two. Now that the new project is created in Unity and the Unity editor window is open, go ahead and go to Windows tab and then go all the way down to Package Manager. Now your package manager will open up. To add the Reach Cloud Metaverse engine, go to Add Package from GitHub URL. The link is in the description. Go ahead and copy and paste that link and hit Add. Unity will install the package, and after that there will be a few prompts after it compiles all the scripts. The first prompt is essentially about the new input system. Just simply hit yes. The second prompt is essentially telling you that it's going to start Unity. After it compiles, it will restart Unity automatically, and you can begin your project. Last prompt is simply just hit I made backup, go ahead. This process should take about a minute to 3 minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. Unity is now restarting. Now you are ready to create your project. In the next video, we'll go over how to create a simple metaspace onto Reach Cloud. Thanks for watching. Until next time.